Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off handoff iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. iPhone handoff is a convenient feature that allows you to start working on something on one device and then seamlessly continue on another device, right where you left off. However, there may be times when you prefer not to use this feature, so it's important to know how to disable it. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap AirPlay and Handoff. Now you'll see the handoff option. Handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other devices using your iCloud account. The app you need appears in the app switcher and in the dock on a Mac. To turn off the handoff feature on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switchover. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.